Common cold. Introduction. Most colds are caused by touching infected surfaces or breathing in germs. Select true or false. Correct. Children should see a healthcare provider if their temperature is 102 degrees Fahrenheit or higher. Select true or false. Correct. This high of a fever may be dangerous for your child. Most common colds get better on their own. Select true or false. Correct. Although most colds go away on their own, it is important to see a healthcare provider if you have symptoms of a serious complication. This includes ear pain, sinus headache, and a cough that gets worse while other symptoms improve. Vomiting and abdominal pain are normal symptoms of a common cold. Select true or false. Correct. Vomiting and abdominal pain are not normal symptoms of a cold and are reasons to see a healthcare provider. Washing your hands with soap and water can prevent the common cold. Select true or false. Correct. This is one of the most effective ways to keep from getting colds or giving them to others. Thank you for using Explain.